I love living near the beach. How about you, Percy? You do? Oh, I know. This feels so good. Do you want to go for a swim? Okay. Have a good swim. I've got you, Penguin. I know you've got the secret information. Quit your whining. You're coming with me. Percy! Percy! Where are you, Percy? Percy! Percy, come back! Oh, Percy, where are you? Hello, Beach Police. Constable Rodriguez speaking. Hello, police? Yeah. My name's Jeff, and I've lost my penguin. Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm at the beach. He went for a swim, but he always comes back, and he's never come back. Yeah, his name's Percy. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So you want to report a missing penguin? Well, he's my best friend. I really want him back. Well, we're going to do the best we can. I can't promise you anything at this stage, but we'll put all available police constables on the job. What does a penguin look like? Okay. Well, he's grey and he's got a yellow sort of right on the end of his beak and sort of black flippers. Yeah. Calm down, young man. We'll put every available officer on the case. Don't worry. We'll get him back. Okay. Thank you. Oh, Percy. Hello, little boy. You look a bit sad. What is the problem? Oh, hello, mister. Yeah, I lost my penguin, Percy. Oh, well. Well, I have the thing to cheer you up. Would you want to buy a flying carpet? It's only $10. Yeah, it's the finest carpet, and it flies, guaranteed. You don't need a license or anything. A flying carpet? How much? It's only $10. Bon? Okay. It's $10. $10? Go. There you go. It's for you. Fly. Thanks. Thanks, mister. Okay, let's fly. Another good day in the office. This flying carpet is amazing. It's going so fast, and I can find Percy on my tracker on my phone. It's a bit windy up here though. I'm getting a bit wobbly. Oh, I hope I don't. Ah! Oh no, there's some sharks.
I'm coming to get you, Percy, don't worry. Are you still on my phone? I'm soaking wet. I'll find you. Here I come.
Oh no, I think Percy's in that cave. and it looks really scary. Don't worry, Percy, I'm coming in. I've got you, Percy. Oh, I can hear someone following us. Let's go, come on. Come on, Percy. Ah! I got you now. You and your penguin. What's that noise? What's that noise? Hey! What is that? Lucky the flying carpet came and saved us, hey, Percy? Knocked that baddie right out. Let's relax and enjoy the ride home. You alright there, Percy? Hang on. Where did that flying carpet come from? Well, hit me right in the head. Oh, I'll get you for this. The only reason they defeated me is because I forgot my umbrella. Unbelievable.